Welcome to Ready, a leader's guide to getting your team using AI. If you've been told we need to get the team using AI and you're quietly worried you don't understand it well enough to lead it, then this lesson is for you. By the end of the next 10 minutes, you'll be able to explain in plain language what today's AI is genuinely good at, where it's risky, and why that matters for the decisions you're about to make. No jargon, no hype, let's get into it. The key thing to know about AI is that AI is a prediction engine and not a knowledge engine. It predicts what is likely, it does not know what is true. So land this slowly, strip away all the noise, and modern AI is one thing: a very good prediction engine. You give it an input, it predicts the most likely useful output. Here's the line to remember: AI predicts what is likely and does not know what is true. That one idea keeps you out of the most trouble. If we're looking at today's AI, let's look at what it's great at and what it's risky at. So the key areas that it's great at is drafting, emails, any kind of communication, summarizing a lot of information into a summarized version of that information. It can classify and extract information really well. It can translate information and can even answer over your own documentation, like in a RAG database. Things that it's risky at are unverified facts. AI loves giving you answers, stating facts that have never been verified. It's really risky when you're using it for a high-stake judgment. If you need 100% guaranteed accuracy, there's high risk involved, and of course, confidentiality. So just to go over those again: drafting, summarizing, classifying, extracting, translating, and answering over your own documents. None of these are exotic functions. It's the bread and butter, and it's genuinely valuable. Unverified facts, high-stakes judgment, anything needed, guaranteed accuracy or confidentiality are high-risk areas. Keep that in mind. In real life, the key statement should be, when you're dealing with AI, draft fast and then a human approves. So if we look at this in real life, we could have a scenario where a service advisor uses AI to draft a customer follow-up in seconds. Then a human glances at it before it gets sent to that customer. So draft fast, you use the AI to do the heavy lifting, and the final verification is done by a human. Hold that loop in your head. We're going to come back to it now. The biggest issue that can catch every leader out is that AI can be confidently wrong. The wrong answer will be given to you in the same calm, authoritative tone as the right answer. That's why a human staying in the loop wherever it matters. You can see here a question is asked of AI: what was our Q3 service retention rate? And the answer given in pure confidence is your Q3 service retention was 87.4%, up 12 points year on year, strong result driven by your reminder campaigns. This is a totally fabricated answer. Bear in mind, AI always tries to keep you happy, so it can be very, very confidently wrong. So just to go through what the key points are in this section. Again, AI predicts what is likely. It doesn't know what is true. Things that it's great at are the unglamorous and everyday tasks. That's the point. That's what we should be using AI for. Confidently wrong is a design constraint and not a reason to dismiss AI. That's why we keep human in the loop. AI is a capability you need to supervise and not a colleague that you trust blindly. You don't need to know how AI works under the hood any more than you need to know how an engine works to run a fleet. You need to know what it is good for and where the risks are, and now you do. The next problem is noise. Every week there's a new tool, a new claim, a new this changes everything. In the next video, we'll learn how to tell real value from all the hype. I'll see you in that video. Thank you.